bruv. I'ma live like a cannon off safety. I'm on a win streak, baby, you gon' hate me. You gon' hear me coming all the way.
Go.
$108. It's a good start.
20 seconds.
Oh, you need the meter. Hey, what team you with?
5, 4,
Oh,
3, 2,
there you
1.
go, big guy.
Time. Official qualifying scores. Lane 1. Nick Voshall. Loss. 115.53 dB. This is a retry for Nick Voshall. The previous score is higher than the current score. Competitors, stand by. Ready, set, go.
There you go. Way you go. That's right.
20 seconds. Ten seconds.
That's right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's right, bro. Hey, hey,
Time.
hey. It's hot, dude. It's hot outside.
Official qualifying scores. Lane 1. Nick Voshall. Loss. 146.30 dB. This is a retry for Nick Voshall. The previous score is Lane 1. Anthony Martinez. 154.36 dB. This is a retry for Anthony Martinez. The previous score is higher than the current score.
What was
I forgot to open the door.
Oh, shit. It happens.
I'm gonna try again.
All right, you can try again? Another run? Right on. Right on, right on.